Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 4x4 the easiest way part 2. If you haven't gone and watched the part 1 video, make sure you go and watch it. And let's begin. For that, first we need to go to the parity part like I told you in the earlier video. Okay, so I have here both the correct parities over here. So this is the PLL parity. As you can see, the yellow layer is fully solved, and these two have to be switched. Not and you see that you cannot do this with the H pump because there only these two have to be switched, not all four. And this is the OLL parity where everything is solved except one edge. So first I'll begin with the OLL parity because that's what you get first before the PLL parity. So for that we need first a type of case in which we have two more edges facing towards you and it forms a bar somewhat like this, and all this yellow has to be retained. For that what we do is we put this at the back like this, and then we do f r u r prime u prime f prime, okay, which gives us this case. So if you don't know, f r u r prime u prime f prime is the algorithm which you do for this case, f r u r prime u prime f prime. So we do the same thing with the edge at the back so that we get this, okay. So now what we do, we keep this facing towards us and then we do this algorithm: lowercase r2, b2, u2, lowercase l, u2, lowercase r prime, u2, r, u2, f2, lowercase r, f2, l prime, b2, lowercase r2. Okay, so the algorithm will be shown on the top over here. So you can just go and copy that. So after doing that, we have the regular 3x3 cases. The yellow is solved, and if you are unlucky, then you might get another PLL parity, which I'm going to show you now. So after getting this, if you aren't unlucky like how I am now, I'm lucky because I have a normal 3x3 case. So here what I do, I can just solve it like a 3x3, and there you go, the cube is solved. And now let's come back to this PLL parity. Okay, so as I said, so let's get a normal usual case in this. I'll just do a random PLL. I took the R form. So over here, from here it would look like just a regular R perm, but if you do the R perm algorithm, what you see is that the cube isn't solved. So for this is called the PLL parity. So for this what you do is, after getting the whole thing, you keep both the uh, edges which have to be swapped, one front and one at the back, and then do this algorithm. It will be shown on top. So there you go, the cube is solved. If you didn't get this case, you might get well another case. Okay, so if not that case, you might get this case, which these two are just next to each other, adjacent to each other, not opposite. So for this, what you do is, keeping one at the front and other at the right, you do R, U, R prime, U prime. So now what this does is, this brings, it retains this edge over here, and the edge which was here earlier goes to the back. Okay, so after doing that, you can just do the normal algorithm which I said you, and then uh, reverse the algorithm as I said, like this. And so there you go, the cube is solved, and both the parities are covered up. Now you have learned how to solve the 4x4. If you haven't yet learned, or if you are having any doubts, you can go and ask me in the comment section below, or you can also DM me on Insta, Cube Master Shares. Link will be in the description. And don't forget to like this video, do share, and also subscribe to my channel. Winning Brains, passing out.